Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be talking about the best wallpaper which is perfectly suitable for the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Samsung Galaxy M51 device, and the Samsung Galaxy M51 has a small punch hole on the top, as you can see. So because of this punch hole, you do have different wallpapers for different punch hole positions. So for example, here is a OnePlus T80 device, and you can see the punch hole position and the type of wallpaper for this one. And even this wallpaper which I'll be mentioning in this video is also suitable for the other smartphones like which are having notch on the top. So even those mobile phones as well you can try. So let me try to show you one of the smartphone. So it is a smartphone which has the notch on the top. Still this kind of wallpapers works pretty good if you are having the notch smartphones. As you can see, this kind of unique looking wallpapers which are very attractive for this kind of punch hole mobile phones. So let's get started friends. The application which I'll be reviewing, and in case if you want to know more details about the wallpapers, like live wallpaper and 3D wallpaper, 4D wallpaper, so there are so many wallpapers which are available. So all the links about the wallpapers will be in the description, so try to check the wallpapers link, and you can find wallpapers related to the each and every model, each and every phone, as you can see here. So don't forget to check the playlist for more details. So let's get started friends with this wallpaper application which is called the Wallpix, so which is especially designed for the Note 10 and Note 20 users. But the advantage with the Samsung M51 is that the same position of the punch hole is also found in the Note 10 and Note 20, so you can use this application for the Samsung Galaxy M51 as well. And in case if you want to know the promo codes for this application, so try to join in my Telegram group. I'll post the promo codes for this application for most of the users, so you can get it for free as well. So let me try to show you. It is a list of list of wallpapers which are actually perfectly suitable for this kind of punch hole on the top. As you can see, after there are so many wallpapers, so you can keep on scrolling down, you will find plenty of wallpapers here. So as you can see here, the list goes on. And the good thing is that developer, they are very good in updating the wallpapers in these applications every now and then, so that's a very good advantage. So it is a live wallpaper as well, but you need to pay the promotion for this one in case if you want to use uh, as a wallpaper. As you can see, this kind of live wallpapers also available in this application. So I particularly like this kind of water live wallpaper, so which is very good and which exactly comes from the punch hole water, so that's very attractive as well. So I'll try to share the promo codes in my Telegram group, so join in my Telegram group for more details. As you can see, these are the trending wallpapers which are available right now, and let me select one wallpaper. So as soon as you select the wallpaper, you can add to the favorites directly. So every time you can directly go to the favorites and you can set the wallpaper. So once you are done, you can set the wallpaper to the home screen or lock screen. As you can see friends, this is exactly suitable for the punch hole. So that there is nothing much difference at all with this kind of wallpaper, so which is very good and attractive. So in case if you want to download, you need to have the promo version. So that's for the free, you can just use as a wallpaper, so which is very good. So here are the some of the interesting wallpapers which I particularly like using in the Samsung Galaxy M51 device, as you can see here friends. And for more interesting wallpapers, try to join in my Telegram group, and also check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers for each and every smartphone. And thank you for watching this video friends. This is a quick tutorial on this application. So there's nothing much apart from this one. Everything is just the basic thing in this phone. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.